I'm gonna win this race. It's too early to celebrate, Wendy. Boom! Yay, I won! Yes, I won. All these cars are mine. Oh, I finally won.
Alex, what did you win?
Oh, hey, Wendy. I just won against you in the race, Wendy.
Daydreaming again? Watch this.
Are you ready to race on this amazing racetrack? And the winner will get this trophy and this monster truck, no battery included. Bring your fastest Hot Wheel and race this amazing track.
Ooh, how am I doing that race and win the prize?
Not with that car. If you want to win against me, you should build a faster car.
Wendy is right. I do need a faster car. Where should I start? Wow, look at all these cars. But they all look so expensive.
Hi, Alex. Looking for a car for your Hot Wheels race?
Do you have any cars that are not so expensive?
Oh, I have something good for you. Follow me.
Oh, must be something really good.
Oh, Alex. Here it is, Alex.
A tractor? This is for farming.
But it's old and strong. Don't let looks deceive you, Alex. Let me tell you, Alex, this tractor is something special.
Oh, I'm listening.
Wow, nice car, Wendy. Thank you, Auntie Amy. Are you going to use this for your Hot Wheels race? Are you competing, Auntie Amy? Of course I will. Silly question.
Okay.
All right, we have all of our challengers. Is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! Oh, looks like our first contestant is out. Let's see who it is. Oh, Uncle Zach.
Oh no! I'll be back next year.
Oh, we have another contestant out. It's Uncle Mike.
My Lamborghini.
Oh, looks like Auntie Beth has been disqualified.
Oh no!
Ooh, nice try, Auntie Beth.
That's okay. I'll be back next year. Bye!
Ooh, looks like we have our final three.
Go!
I won this race, Wendy.
Go on!
Looks like the kids is heading towards the finish line.
Oh, there's a big ramp up ahead. If I get that, I'll win. See you later. Wow, she's fast.
And we have a winner, Auntie Amy.
Congratulations, Auntie Amy.
Thank you. Great race, everyone.
Bye.